As the whole world continues to reel under the COVID-19 pandemic, we all aspire to stay fitter than ever before. However, it has become tougher as we are confined to the bounds of our home, which has led to our immune systems going haywire. Furthermore, most of us have become mentally reliant on pharmaceutical drugs for bodily cures, whereas the only thing we need to do is find answers in the nature around us. Yes, you heard it right. Gifts of nature are the answers to most of our health issues. You would now be wondering, what kind of a suggestion is that? Well, nature provides for us with all kinds of natural remedies in the form of fruits. All we have to do is understand the significance of each one. Today's video is all about unraveling some of the most amazing and not so known health benefits of 10 fruits, which will keep you in the best of shape all your life and in absolute sync with the nature that surrounds us. Apple. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, goes the age-old adage. Apple contains flavonoids which minimize respiratory issues. Furthermore, it includes quercetin and B-complex vitamins, which are known to be magical for brain functioning, as it can completely thwart away Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Apple juice can lessen tooth cavities to a substantive degree of 40%. Apple naturally diminishes cholesterol and inhibits the development of type 2 diabetes. The benefits are almost endless. Papaya, a fruit which should ideally be consumed right in the wee hours of the morning, so as to ensure that the bowel movement remains in impeccable shape all along and the benefits of it get absorbed by the body without any form of dilution. Papaya is a storehouse of vitamin A, which implies great eye health. It appreciably helps in the absorption of a protein called collagen, which improves strength and structure of the body. Papaya improves the overall immunity. It contains B-complex vitamins such as B1 and B2. This fruit has a lot of fiber, which implies a strengthened bowel movement. Papaya reduces bad cholesterol via the process of assimilation. Watermelon, a fruit or the drink of it that not only tastes delicious but looks marvelously swish. It has been a part of visual media for decades now. There has to be something special about this one. A highly hydrating fruit, watermelon has more than 80% water content and is outstanding for the hydration and wellness of human body. This fruit contains vitamin A and B complex. It cleanses the intestinal system and stomach of toxins. People with diabetes should ideally use watermelon seeds in their food to keep a check on the glycemic index. Orange. As a child, we would carry this fruit to the school along with the lunchbox. This is how healthy and handy a fruit it has been considered from times immemorial. A well-known fact about orange is that it contains vitamin C, which boosts skin and eye health and revitalizes the functioning of the thyroid gland. It pushes up the activity of the immune system and elevates the level of blood flow. It impedes the unfurling of heart diseases by supplying antioxidants, vital nutrients, and flavonoids to the body. Did you know that orange helps prevent cancer? Pear. As tempting as this fruit looks, greater are the benefits of it. Therefore, it needs a detailed discourse. Pear contains vitamin A, which implies no eye issues whatsoever. It contains B-complex. It has fabulous levels of fiber and water content. It is a powerful diuretic. It prevents the formation of gas in the body and is super low in calories. Pear helps in visceral enhancement with the passage of time. Lemon. Now this is the most versatile fruit that one can ever come across. Spray it over the salad or drink it in the form of lemonade. The wide range of usage it has is absolutely mind-boggling. Rich in vitamin C, a lemon helps reduce inflammation in the body. It is a natural diuretic as well and has the potential to fully detox the body and regulate blood pH levels because of the alkaline nature it has. Tangerine. Named after the city Tangier in Morocco, This fruit is the most common variety of mandarin orange, characterized by its thick flesh, irregular peel, and sweet, tangy flavor. Tangerine is more sweet than sour and has a stronger flavor than orange. Super high in fiber content, it aids in cleaning intestinal tract. It has magnesium, potassium, calcium, and phosphorus, which makes it an excellent fruit for regular consumption. Guava, a fruit which comes with an uneven or a rough surface. It doesn't quite look that attractive, but make no mistake, this one is stupendously beneficial than the looks of it. Guava is known to be the most complete and nutritionally balanced fruit. It is an excellent source of vitamin C. It enhances immunity and thwarts away colds, flus, and similar infections. Consuming it is a good option for hypertensive patients. Guava is rich in potassium. It helps regulate blood pressure and significantly reduces the risk of strokes and heart attacks. Pineapple. This fruit has a very coarse and repulsive looking skin, one which could leave the human skin punctured and in discomfort if the fruit isn't handled with care. Nonetheless, scrape the skin of the fruit and the magic unfolds. You will encounter one of the most delectable works of art by Mother Nature. Rich in bromelain, pineapple is known to aid digestion. It has a powerful healing effect. It contains lots of water and few calories. Its juice is an amazing addition to detox the body. Grape. Loved by one and all, I'm sure that this is one fruit that anybody can munch over at any time of the day. As succulent and luscious as it can get, grapes are a treat not only to the eyes but even to the taste buds. This is a fruit with most levels of zinc in it. It prevents cancer, aids brain health. It has magnesium, which keeps away headaches and migraines. It helps with poor digestion. It is high on vitamin C, also helps protect the cornea. Grapes contain a lot of iron and phosphorus and help maintain heart health. Our goal has always been to ensure that we give you as much information about the foods that we eat, and we are furthering our responsibilities by bringing to you videos such as this one. If you think this was useful to you, don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Like the video and subscribe to the channel if you love our content. A lot of hard work goes behind the making of such videos. Catch you soon in the next one.